Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Bonsai board game to 2 to 4 players, and if you want to play solo you can find another video on the channel. To set up the game to 2 to 4 players, first put the board in the middle of the table and then place all the bonsai tiles in an area which is within the reach of all players. This is gonna be the common supply. So here are all of the bonsai tiles of 4 different types: wood, leaf, flower and fruit. Then choose 3 colors at random among brown, green, purple, yellow and blue. Here are these 5 different colors which you can choose from, and pick 3 at random. Then remove the remaining not chosen colors, for example these ones, and the ones that have been chosen should be placed like that. This is how you place these chosen colors, these chosen goal tiles, and if you play in 1 or 2 player mode, remove the intermediate goals, which are these medium-sized goals. But I'm gonna set the game for 4 players, so I'm gonna use all of the levels of the goals. And then prepare the deck of Zen cards. Zen cards are purple on the reverse, and that's how they look. And to prepare them, for 4 players use all of them. For 3 players, remove all of the cards that have 4 dots on them, and leave cards with 3 dots and no dots. And for 2-player game, remove all of the cards with 4 dots and with 3 dots as well. But I'm gonna use all of the cards for 4-player game. And now, since it's done, you can shuffle the deck of the cards. And when it's shuffled, place it here. And now take 4 cards from the top and place them on these spaces on the board. And now you can give each player a pot tile of their chosen color. Here are 4 pot tiles in 4 different colors. Give each player 1 of their color. These are gonna be the starting tiles of bonsai trees. And now give each player also a summary card. They will help you remember how to score your trees, and also how to place the tiles. And give each player a Saishi starting tile of their color. You can see they have different colors here as well. And give each player a Saishi starting tile. And now the last thing you need to do is give players starting bonsai tiles, and to do it you need to first decide which player is gonna be the first, and the first player is gonna be the oldest one. So let's say the blue player is the oldest in this case, so they get 1 wood tile. Then go in clockwise direction and give the second player 1 wood and 1 leaf tile. Then the third player gets 1 wood, 1 leaf and 1 flower tile. And the last player gets 1 of each type of tile, so that's gonna be 1 wood, 1 leaf, 1 flower and 1 fruit. And these are the personal supplies of each player. And the game is ready to be played. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.